In the last episode of South Florida Merch, we unboxed the Silhouette Cameo 3 vinyl cutter. With that vinyl cutter, I cut out a design, I weeded it, and I was ready to put it on a shirt. And what shirt was it? This shirt. You want to see how I did it? And guess what? I did it without a heat press. You know what I used? My iron. Let's check it out. Here you'll see the actual process taking place from putting the design into the machine, having the machine cut the vinyl. You'll see me weeding the machine and getting ready for the actual transfer. I've never weeded before, first time, so it was a little tricky, but finally got it done. Okay, so I did the weeding. This is the first time I've ever done this, and I need some weeding tools. And I think there's some kind of table. This thing was very tricky, to say the least. But anyways, it's just a phrase that I think it's funny. It just says awkwardly social. I'm gonna wear it tonight to a Maker's Mart. It's like an event for people that make stuff. There's a few t-shirt companies that are gonna be there, so I'm probably gonna interview them. It also says to use craft paper to cover it, and I actually have some laying around for when I ship stuff. It's loud, sorry. I think it's to cover, I think it's wide enough. Yeah, to cover the design. So what I'm using is the Sisser Easy Weed Stretch Heat Transfer Vinyl. I bought this at the same place I bought it at Michael's. They didn't have it at Hobby Lobby. And it has an iron. It has a picture of an iron. That means I'm gonna use my iron. It says to, actually I should turn this on. Turn it on to cotton, no steam, and this, oh man, this paper's sticky. Jeez. Well, caution, don't let this thing stick to anything. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if that's gonna show up or not, but I will soon find out. I might have just ruined this shirt. Anyways, people do like 3 or 4 fingers down. A good trick I got from Big Brandoh is to fold your design in half, increase the top, increase the bottom, just so you can get a center point. I know where the center is of the shirt because it's got a tag on it. 4 fingers down, approximately, it's around there, roughly. This is just my first time, so honestly, whatever happens, happens. Just kind of eyeball it. Just put it down there. I think it's too low. This is 3 fingers. I think I'm gonna go a little higher. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Maybe like 3 fingers. And then, all right. That's here. I'm gonna cover it with this thing, and I'm gonna let the iron warm up. It is cool. I never thought I'd use this little temperature sensor. It says it's 148 degrees, and you can hear my dog. So anyways, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this heat up, and then we'll do a little pressing. Let's see what happens. Okay, so one thing I forgot to do, which everybody does it, and I guess there's a reason for it, is to preheat the shirt. And apparently that's to get the steam out of the shirt, and it'll help with the application of the heat transfer. It doesn't say anything here in the instructions, but in my YouTube University classes, that's what they do. It says put the iron on cotton, no steam, and this is kind of, I'm just gonna iron it out. And they say that when you don't see any steam coming up, it's fine. I should iron all my shirts today while I'm here. I don't know. I don't see any steam. Maybe I can't see it, but whatever. Let's just let's just do this. And it also, I think, preheats the garment. Alright, so let's do that. And like I said, shout out to Big Brandoh. I'll put a link to his channel at the bottom. You fold. I got so many fingerprints on this. It's crazy. Yeah, you fold it in half to get the center mark. I'm gonna go like 3 fingers down. I don't like them too low. Go to the center of the shirt, and eventually when I get the heat press, this will be a lot more fluid. But let's go around there. This is just eyeball. Probably gonna be crooked. Oh well. So we put it here. Just to cover it with the craft paper and iron it. Let's see how big the iron is. I'm gonna do like 3 passes. You don't want to. I guess you don't want to melt that plastic either, the carrier sheet. So I'm gonna do like 3 passes, and so here goes nothing. Let's go. 1 Mississippi. Here goes nothing. So I'm gonna take this off. You peel away the carrier, and of course it's not going to stick. Maybe I need more heat. It's sticking at the bottom. Then there's some more heat on the top. I need to get a heat press. The bottom seems to be fine. Let's see if it comes up now. This is so cool. Yeah, I need. Some of the letters aren't sticking, but and then it says to do it again for 10 seconds. Again, 3. So this is my grandson Anthony. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, he's a little shy, but he's awesome. He's gonna start his YouTube channel. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm probably gonna burn this thing, but we'll see. I need to get the heat press. I think I overdid it, but it looks, I don't know, I guess you can't overdo it. So just for good measure, probably going against all the instructions. I don't know how much pressure. This is like 80, 90 pounds of pressure. I don't know. So this iron is hot, so be careful. Got plastic here, instructions here, and here we go. So my very first printed shirt ever, and I have it on camera, and my boy Anthony, my partner in crime, was right here with me. So thank you so much. It says not to wash it for 24 hours, but I think I'm gonna heat it up a little more and throw it in the wash, see what happens. So anyways, thank you for watching. If you like the content, follow me on my journey, South Florida merch. And we got Brandy here on the floor, my partner, Anthony, my grandson, and we'll see you the next episode. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll leave some links in the description of some of the channels I mentioned, and please follow them also. And if you want to say that I sent them, that'd be awesome too. So thank you so much. Take care. Talk to you soon.